Hi, I'm Donovan, and I thought I could plan my wedding with my own two hands. 40,000 rand for chairs, my bro. I said I wanted to sit, not invest.
Nah, bro. That's like a deposit on my new Hilux.
I ordered rustic table decor. They gave me 3 baht. 3 baht? No! The photographer said I need a golden hour. I said, but I need a golden discount. And then the DJ ghosted us after he said he was spirit-led. Bro, on WhatsApp nogals!
Nee bro, dat is nie reg nie.
Then I found Makiti, my own. Venue, food, decor, sorted. They even gave us a prep room, so she doesn't shout at me with half a makeup on. We also got a honeymoon suite with snacks and bubbles and no uncle sleeping on a couch. I nearly got married under a gazebo at my Oma's complex. And now I'm getting married like a legend. Now, Makiti wedding and function venue. All inclusive, no panic, and no pawning your Hilux.